YouTube, I'm Jonathan and this is Cooking with the Cooks. Today we'll be making crunchy carrot mac and cheese. And if you want to see how to make it, then keep watching. First, you have to melt 1 tablespoon of butter in the medium skillet over medium heat. Add the paprika, turmeric, and panko, and cook, stirring with a wooden spoon until the panko is lightly toasted. After the panko is finished, put it in a different bowl with an adult's help. Have an adult boil a pot of water and add salt. Put the carrots in the boiling water and then heat it up for 10 minutes. Okay, it's going. This is cool, the bubbles. The bubbles are cool. Once the carrots are done, have an adult put them in a blender and set aside. Using the same boiling water, put the macaroni into the pot. After the macaroni is finished, have an adult remove 1 cup of the pasta water and drain the pasta. Pour half of the pasta water into the blender. Next, we're going to blend the carrots until they are smooth. Start. Mushy. They look mushy. Now that the carrots are smooth, put 1 tablespoon of butter into the pan. Now that your butter is melting, whisk in your mustard powder and flour. Whisk in the evaporated milk and carrot puree. Just gotta do this for 5 minutes. Once the sauce is thick, add 2 cups of cheese. After the cheese is melted, add the pasta and stir with a wooden spoon. Use the rest of your pasta water to loosen the sauce. The last step is to put the macaroni and cheese into a bowl and sprinkle the panko crumbs on top. Yes, I do. Okay, I do. Yeah, I do. There. Mac and cheese is my favorite food, and carrots are my favorite vegetable. Now let's see how it tastes. No, it's good. This was super good. If you want to try it yourself, it will be below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace. Mix. Now you want to try yours now?
Wait, I needed that.
Wait, when you get B-roll.